Okay, welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. I'm not going to bore you too much today with the drawing part of this, but what I'm going to do is install some T-Tracks. And basically I have the tool path ready to go. And if you go over here to layers and you turn on the different things, mounting features, clamping features, you go to the 2D view. So I'm not using clamping features, so we don't need those on. But I do have the slots in there. And then I also have the locating features in there. So what I had to do was I had to design this T-Track layout to miss all those holes. And the way I have it right now, it worked out pretty good. So let's just take this over there and cut it out. And yeah, we'll see if we can't install some T-Tracks today. Okay, save toolpath. We're going to go to the USB drive. And we're going to call this T-Track Pocket 1. And we're just going to run one toolpath. We'll go ahead and save it to that USB drive. All right, let's go over and cut it. Right away, I load the program, and first thing I do is home the machine, X, Y, and Z, and then I do the plate, probe the signal, the touch plate. I do the Z, then I do the Y, and then I do the X. And then it's ready to start the program. I go over and cycle start. I first warm up the spindle, and then I run the program. And here you can see the program starts to run. It gets over to its position, and you can see it running. I'm really surprised. I'm really amazed how good it cuts. I mean, it's precise. It's so precise that if you want it to, fit in there a little bit, maybe a little bit looser, you better allow for tolerances. It does. It cuts exactly what you want it to cut. So I cut these at exactly what the T-Track was, which was 3/4 of an inch wide, and they went in there perfect, but they were snug. So there was, I could have allowed maybe a little bit of tolerance to make it easier for me to put in. But it did go good, and you can see it just cuts really, really clean. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Once it's run the program and cut all the slots for the T-Track, I move the gantry out of the way. I then clean out all the slots, and I proceed to mount all the T-Tracks. And here you can see I got all the T-Tracks almost mounted. It's about 100 screws. Actually, I ran out of screws. But yeah, it looks really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.